Working from home is showing no signs of slowing down, and in some cases it's permanent. If you are still adjusting to the remote working lifestyle, it might be time to complete your home office. You may not get as much exercise as walking around the office, but that's what makes a standing desk so great. Your legs will thank you for the change of pace. But how do you choose the right model? Hey guys, this is Dhruval Patel. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. Here are my favorite standing desks for working from home. Before we begin, let me explain why you should have a standing desk. So, let's get started. You may be wondering why you even need a standing desk if you have been working at a normal one your whole career. Well, sitting has been called the new smoking in some cases, which is frightening to say the least. It makes your back stiff, reduces blood flow, and compresses organs. None of those side effects exactly sound like a ringing endorsement for keeping your sitting desk. Now, you could go about buying a premium chair and a whole host of other office comforts, but the solution is much easier. Standing helps you to stretch your legs, encourage blood flow, and you will probably register quite a few more steps on your Fitbit. We are not saying you should throw out your office chair or move to a standing room only setup, but it's good to have options. Standing desks tend to fall into two basic camps, true desks and conversion kits. The true desk will fully replace your current setup and they can often support a few hundred pounds. Unfortunately, they tend not to feature built-in drawers as lifting the drawers would be too heavy. The other way to go if you love your current desk is with a conversion kit. It sits on top of your setup but it adjusts in much the same way. You can keep all of your drawers and your extra real estate while simply raising your keyboard and monitors. Now that you know the importance of standing desk, let's begin with the list of best standing desks in the market. Number 1. IKEA Skavsta. The Swedish furniture giant is a great place to start your search for a standing desk and it pops up frequently. This first option, the Skavsta, is a simple, minimalistic desk. The Skavsta is a 63-inch by 31-inch hybrid style desk that you can adjust for either seated or standing work. However, the desk is fully manual, so you will have to get your workout in while you crank the desk rope up or down. It comes disassembled given that it's an IKEA product, but you can also pay extra to have it assembled for you. The desktop is made of dense particle board and the legs and supports are all durable metal. If you are looking for a feature-rich desk, the Skavsta is not the one for you. It offers a desktop that raises and lowers, but that's about it. You won't find any cable management and there are no desks or shelves to speak of. However, the materials are solid and the desk is easy to raise and lower as you go about your day. You can find the purchase link of IKEA Skavsta in the description box. Number 2. Fully Jarvis. If a manual crank isn't your speed, the Fully Jarvis might be a better fit. It's fully motorized and it stores 4 height settings for even faster adjustments. This is a simple version of the Fully Jarvis, but you can customize the desk to your heart's content over the Fully website. You can add everything from a cable management tray to a drawer and a file cabinet. Unfortunately, there's no option for a lowered keyboard tray, but the desk itself offers plenty of space. You can adjust the Jarvis by up to 25 inches, which is perfect for either standing or sitting. It's lightning fast too, lifting and lowering at 1.5 inches per second. The Jarvis comes in a variety of sizes ranging from 30 inches by 24 inches to 78 inches by 30 inches. Purchase link of Fully Jarvis is in the description box of this video. Number 3. FlexiSport Desk. The FlexiSport Desk is a slightly more budget-friendly option and it measures in at 48 inches by 30 inches. Like the Jarvis and Skavsta, the FlexiSport requires a good bit of assembly before you can get to work. The build quality is solid and it also matches the Jarvis in terms of speed, adjusting at 1.5 inches per second. It's a smooth operator though, so you won't have to worry about spilling your coffee when you lift it. Select versions of the FlexiSport standing desk can save presets heights, but the most basic model offers simple up and down options. It's fully motorized either way, so you can leave your manual crank behind. You can find the purchase link of this product in the description box. Number 4. Uplift V2. Standing desks are meant to be as unique as you are, and the V2 from Uplift is a perfect way to tune your setup. It's not cheap and you will have to buy straight from Uplift itself, but you can customize every aspect. The V2 comes in just about any size from 42 inches by 30 inches up to 80 inches by 30 inches. If you tend to keep a lot on your desk, the Uplift V2 is ready to lift it. The motorized beast can handle up to 355 pounds at a time, plenty more than you can probably even fit on your desk. You can also customize the appearance of your V2 with 4 frame colors and dozens of desktop materials, including a full-size whiteboard. Purchase link of Uplift V2 is in the description box. Number 5. Apex Desk Elite. If you want the desk that sounds like it should top the rest, how do you beat a name like Apex Desk Elite? Instead of blending in as another rectangular desk, the Apex Desk adopts a caved-in midsection to help you stay even closer to the action. The top itself is 60 inches by 28 inches, so you should have more than enough real estate to work with. It may not quite match the 355 pound capacity of the Uplift, but the Apex Desk Elite can lift 225 pounds like it's nothing. Apex Desk also choose a durable steel frame, so you should be able to work through just about anything. The Elite is fully mechanized and the controller allows you to save multiple height profiles for easy adjustment. Purchase link of this product is in the description box down below. Number 6. Uplift E7. I have highlighted plenty of true standing desks so far, but what if you love the desk you already have? You can skip the complete overhaul with the Uplift E7, which is essentially a conversion kit that sits atop your desk. The E7 is fully electric and the control panel sits flush with the top of the desk. Unlike a few other options that keep things simple, Uplift's E7 has a detachable keyboard tray and you can mount monitors straight to the desk. It's available with 1, 2 or 3 connections and the E7 comes in black or white. You can only stack 110 pounds on top of the conversion desk, but at least you should still have real estate on your original desk. The desktop measures in at 30 inches by 21.5 inches and the keyboard tray is 28 inches by 10.5 inches. You can find the purchase link in the description. Number 7. Very electric standing desk. Very's large 48 inch by 30 inch standing desk is a great option if you want to match your home or office decor. It comes in your standard black and white finishes, but you can also choose from butcher's block or reclaimed wood versions that feel a bit more personal. No matter what topper you choose, the frame of the desk is made of sturdy steel and reinforced with a crossbar. The powerful motor is just as premium as the desk itself, and it adjusts to height between 25.5 inches and 50.5 inches quietly. You can store up to 3 height settings on the premium LED display for even easier adjustments. Very claims that you can assemble its desk in around 5 minutes without any special tools, so don't be afraid to put it to the test. The purchase link is in the description box. Number 8. IKEA Beacon. We are back to IKEA for the Beacon standing desk, and the manual crank is nowhere to be seen. It looks nearly identical to the Skarsta with the minimalistic design, but the Beacon is fully electric. You can make your adjustments with a simple 2-button panel for heights between 22 and 48 inches. It's available in a variety of colors and finishes, and of course, you will have to assemble the desk yourself. The Beacon also has a cable management sleeve, so you can keep your workplace neat and tidy. Unfortunately, there are still no extra trays or drawers to speak of, so you will likely have to grab a filing cabinet or something similar. You can find the purchase link in the description box. Number 9. IKEA Idasen. Today's final standing desk is yet another option from IKEA. It's called the Edison and it's designed to put up with years of wear and tear. The desktop is a thick slab of particle board and the steel legs are reinforced at the bottom for strength and durability. It only comes in black, but at least you can spill coffee or ink and you shouldn't notice any mess. IKEA's Edison is yet another all-electric option and the control panel is somehow even more minimalistic. It functions as a single panel that you either lift or press to make your changes. Even better, IKEA has a companion app that allows you to remotely adjust your desk if you need to. The Edison also employs the same cable management system as the Vacant, so you should be able to keep your desk neat and tidy. Purchase link is in the description box. So guys, that's all from best standing desk in the market. I hope this detailed information of standing desk will help you make the right choice while buying the best standing desk for you. Please hit the like button and do share this video with the needy ones. If you want this type of information regularly, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you guys in the next helpful video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.